Okay. What do you mean by like move? Like trying to get away? Well, he's spinning around, crouching.
Some GM.
What? Ooh, can I get the ammo?
Thea, look at what the Evo bus is at.
Can I get the ammo? You can keep the MP5. Oh, okay. I already have a Deagle and an M4. I'll be right back.
How do we open demo files? Matt, how do you open demo files?